So we're back. We have this issue. I had a power problem. Plugging the charger, there is no sign of power on the LED light is not coming up. So we already see the problem. There is a burnt MOSFET we need to replace. So we are going to take out this MOSFET from another scrap and replace immediately. So that's it. So we hit to remove and replace with another one. The MOSFET is blown, so let's replace and see if it will solve the problem of the power. It's a HP motherboard. So we're done replacing it. Let's test and see whether our LED light will come up. That is the charging light. If it does, that means it is okay, and we'll try and power it to see if the fan will roll. So that's it. It worked. So let's bridge and see if it will come up. The fan will roll. If it does, that means the system is fine. So the fan is rolling. Let's wait and see for the processor to heat up so it will pick properly. So it's okay.